If you love food, then Hong Kong is the city for you. Honestly, there is something for everyone. Let me start with this clay pot chicken because I have a beautiful clay pot in front of me. Different than May's. Hers was a smaller one that served about 2. Just like Chef May, I'm going to layer in my rice and chicken and mushrooms. So I'll start with the rice. I use long grain rice, along with a generous amount of sliced fresh ginger and some scallion, and pour in chicken stock. The next step is to layer the chicken on top. I've got a small whole chicken cut up in 2 pieces. That way it cooks evenly and in a single layer. I can just let that be for now and move on to my mushrooms. Chef May used dried shiitake mushrooms and simply layered them on top of her clay pot chicken. For mine, I'm using fresh mushrooms. I've got a sauté pan that I'll heat on high. It's up to you if you want to use a single type of mushroom or a variety. Once you've let the oil get hot in your pan, you can add your mushrooms. I'll let these soften for a second while I prepare my sauce. I've got a little bit of oyster sauce, and to that, I'll add soy sauce and a generous amount of sesame oil. A little sweetness from a touch of sugar, and I'll grate in 2 cloves of garlic. Give this a little stir, just to dissolve the sugar. Now that the mushrooms have softened, I turn off the heat to add my sauce. Oh, smell that sesame oil. Combined with the garlic, that smells incredible. Now this, I'll take over and spoon over the chicken. Chef May's clay pot chicken was cooked stovetop. This clay pot goes in the oven at 190, and it takes an hour to an hour and 15, depending on the size of the chicken. Ooh, look at that. Oh, you can tell the rice has soaked up all of those flavors, the juices, that special sauce. And I can really pick up the ginger. So there it is, my version of clay pot chicken rice with mushrooms. When chicken is cooked like this, it just melts away from the bone. It's so soft and tender. And with some of that rice,